Hello, friends. My name is Mr. Jengis, and I'm here with CodeSpeak Labs. And today I'm going to show you how to make a mutant Ninja Turtle dancing like this. Woo! Oops. So let's see what that looks like. Again, here we have our Ninja Turtle rolling his arms in a rock star pose in this animation. So, friends, we're going to make this animation in a website called PiskelApp.com. You can find the website link in the description to this video. And friends, once you go to that website, you're going to click on Create Sprite to get started. And friends, as always, please click on the like button at the bottom of this video to like our video and subscribe for our future videos. Okay, once you click on Create Sprite, you'll see a screen like this, and you'll need to create a palette of colors. So at the right side, at the bottom right corner, you'll see the palettes section. Click on the little plus sign, and then choose the colors for your Ninja Turtle. We're gonna need 4 colors for this one. So the first one is gonna be a dark green, and then click on the plus sign again to make a new color in this palette. The second color is going to be a light green. Next up, we're going to have brown. So maybe like go to orange and make it super dark by moving this circle down right about there. And then click on the plus sign. This color is going to be like the belly of the Ninja Turtle. So it should be like a light yellowish kind of color. So you can just move this dot up to make that color. All right, I have my 4 colors right here. And oh, I forgot. For the outline, actually, no, let's keep it with these colors, actually. That's going to be sufficient. Click on Save, and you can see your colors right here. Now, on the left side, you'll see the tools to draw on Piskel. You can draw with the pen tool, just like this, as you want, whatever you want to draw, and it'll show up. Friends, if you make a mistake in this project, that's totally fine. You can use this trick called Control Z. So I'm going to click Control. I'm going to press the Control key on my keyboard. Okay. And with my other hand, I'm going to tap the Z button. Boom. And that undoes the last thing I did. So if you ever make a mistake, you can press Control Z to undo that thing, and you won't have any more troubles. But friends, instead of the pen tool, I'm going to use this circle tool right here. So click on the circle tool, and you can click and drag to make a circle. This is going to be the head of the Ninja Turtle, and this is going to be the body. It's going to be like ovalish body. And then friends, you can click on the bucket tool to fill it in. I'm going to use a dark brown color to fill in the body and the head. And friends, I can actually make the lines that color too. You can just click on the lines to make them brown as well. I should have done this with the circle tool actually. All right. So friends, once we have a head and a body, we can start drawing the arms. And to do that, we're going to use the pencil tool. So on the left side, you'll see the pen tool. Click on that and just draw an arm. Draw an arm extending to one side. Let me make these brown too. After that, draw the other arm, just extending the same way. You know, like a starfish. All right. After that, make the legs. Mine is going to have some short legs, I think, but I'm sure you can come up with a better design than mine. I'm doing it really, really quickly. Really nice. After we do this, friends, it's time to make the face of the Ninja Turtle. I'm going to use the light green color this time and make a headband, like a, they have those bands around their eyes. So this is what that is. And then using any other color, really, you can make the eyes. Bam, bam. That's my Ninja Turtle. And of course, every turtle has a shell. So I'm going to use the dark green to make the shell behind it. So I'm going to use the pencil tool for this. I find that that's the best way to do this because you only see the shell a little bit. You don't see the entire shell because the turtle is in front of it. Next up, we're going to do the belly. Now, we have this yellow color right here, and just basically do a half circle right here, and you can color it in with the pencil as well. Or, of course, you can use the remember the paint bucket tool to pour that color into any circle that you draw. And let's make it so that you can kind of see the shell from the bottom too, right? Boom, 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 boom. Nice. I have my Ninja Turtle is standing like this. Yes, that's fine. That's fine. But now let's animate this Ninja Turtle. On the left side again, you'll see that there is a frame with the number 1 in it. Click on duplicate this frame. After that, you'll have 2 frames. They're both the same, but if you change one of them, that'll be the second frame in the animation. So each frame is going to have an arm going in different positions. Now, I'm going to use the eraser tool to erase the arm. And then I'm going to draw the arm going down like this. Oops, wrong color. Control Z that. Okay, so that's one movement. Let's duplicate this again. Erase the arm. And do the next frame in this animation. The arm is now going to be at the very, very bottom. Somewhere right here. And then duplicate that again. This time the arm will be somewhere right here. And then duplicate that again. Let's recolor the belly back to the way it was. Oh, that's pretty close enough. And then let's make the next frame. This time the arm is going to be across like this. Boom, boom, boom. Looking good. Duplicate again. And let's do the same color. Let's undo this thing that we did. Put the shell back. Erase this arm. And the next frame, use the pen tool to make the arm. This time the arm is going to be something like this. Something like that, yeah. Let's boom, boom, boom. Oops, wrong color. Use the brown color to make this arm across the face almost, yeah. And then finally, duplicate. Let's duplicate one last time. And fill it in again. This. Erase this part. The last frame in the animation is going to be just the arm like this. Oops. I always do that now. I don't change the color. All right. So the arm is pointing straight up. Yes. And on the right side, you'll see the animation happening. Let me make it big, 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 so you all can see like that. All right. So friends, that's how to make the animation of the turtle going like this, which is nice. But in the next part, I'll show you how you can put this character into Scratch so we can program it and make it really look like it's rocking out for real. And we can add music to it, and we can add like colors to it and backgrounds and all kinds of stuff. So that's going to be in part 2 of this video. And friends, if you liked today's project, please click on the like button below and subscribe for our future videos. Oh, and if you click on the little bell next to subscribe, it'll actually warn you or notify you when we have a new video. So you might want to do that. And friends, remember to keep coding, and we'll be back for part 2 of this project.